this is going to be Playoff Contenders, Case 1, Box number 10 on 2/6, 9 p.m. That's when we got our start tonight. And here's everybody in the break. Cam H just going big. Come on, Cam. Good to see Brandon B back. And Kev, always. Kelsey, yep. Mark. The wind kind of, the fan kind of blew it there. Okay, and here's that last row, guys. So we're down to the last 3 boxes. Here we go, guys. Good luck to you. Let's take one for good luck right now. Okay. Here we go. Empty. Set that box over there. And here we go. First pack. We got to get something weird. They can't just... This is Ruben Randall, and this one's actually going to be short print. Because I see the black border. Yes, it is. 26 out of 50. So there we go. That's going to the Giants. So David E. Go, buddy. That's all you. Let's get some weird autos. There's an on card. Well, it should be. But this is Ronnie Hillman for the Broncos. So back to David E. Come on, man. There you go. That's a nice hit, my man. I like Ronnie Hillman, man. And then we got Greg Jennings for those Packers. Rona George. And this is going to be, come on, DeVere Posey, rookie ticket, RPS. That's going to the Texans. So Cam, there you go, buddy. That's you, DeVere Posey. And Marcus Allen to the Raiders. Nada. And Justin Blackman, a rookie Stallions. Nada in there. A lot of base, guys. A lot of. And there's an MVP of Calvin Johnson. And going to those Lions. Back to Cam. And there's a Levante David for the Books. So that's going to Leslie A. There you go. Leslie, I'm sure Jason's rooting for you right now. Hopefully that you'd be getting a Doug Martin out of this box or something, right? Jay's a big Doug Martin fan. Here's another auto. This is going to the Dolphins, which is Cam, and that's Doug. I'm sorry, yeah, Doug Fuller. Jeff Fuller. I think I know a Doug Fuller. That's why I said it. Well, if you're out there, Doug, what's up, buddy? All right, next pack. Here we go. Kendall Wright, Contenders Rookie of the Year. So I think we're on 4 autos. And Drew Brees, MVP. Last stack of packs here in box number 10. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me tonight. We'll have some more Contenders tomorrow, and we'll see. Maybe the next case will bring better luck, although we're not done yet. Bernard Pierce. And going to those Ravens. Maybe I can do a bonus or something tomorrow, too. This is Najee Good. If I pulled that card, which I did today, I said to myself, Najee not good, or Najee bad. I've never heard of him before. Come on. There we go. And, man, this is Bucks heavy. Mark Barron, Contenders or Rookie of the Year. Back to Leslie A. Just doing work on the Bucks. And So here we go. Let's keep it rolling. There's Santonio Holmes for the Steelers. Last couple packs. Oh, my goodness. And there's Mark Tyler for the third time this case. Go to George. Here you go, buddy. 4 packs left here in this box. And this is Vontaze Perfect, and that's going to the Bengals. So John D.Y. Here you go, John. My goodness, here we go. Last 2 packs. And Levante David, last pack. And that's Aaron Foster, MVP, going to the Texans. All right, guys. I mean, if I had any control over these boxes, I would have beefed him up a little bit. So we had Mark Tyler, Najee Good, Jeff Fuller, Levante David, and then the 2 rookie tickets, actually. So the RPSs, so DeVere Posey and Ronnie Hillman. So I imagine that's what they're going to count. So, okay, let's get it on. I mean, I want to give it a shot regardless and just kind of kick up a little bit of dust.